crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the Love from Lizi Tea with Tilda February card kit. I absolutely love this kit this month and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's go ahead and dive in. I have the kit in front of me and I've already taken it out of the packaging. The first thing I have here are 5 sheets of US letter size cardstock. So these are 8.5 by 11 in size. So we receive a sheet of navy cardstock. Then we have a chocolate brown. We have a lighter brown, a sheet of white, and the white is alcohol friendly. And then that sheet of vanilla, 2 sheets of specialty cardstock. They are A5 in size, kraft and rose gold mirror. Then we have 3 mini craft cards and envelopes. There they are here. So they're like a 3x3 size. Then we have the mini circle peel-offs in rose gold mirror, and I love this rose gold color this month. Next, I have the Tea with Tilda stamp set, and this is so cute. You can see all the sentiments here. I like the one that says, "You're such a cutie." And there's some little teacups up here. So there's teacup right there in the upper right. Then we've got a smaller teacup as well. And there's some florals. Those are really cute. Next we have the Tea with Tilda stencil. And I kind of think this looks like cheese. So there are some little mice with this month. So you can see here, here's the little mice. So this is the 12 sheets of 6x6 single-sided pattern papers. These are just so dainty and delicate. It's little mice drinking tea. Some little mice in little teapots. And then there's a smaller version. Then we have some florals. And then I love these. These are almost like a mixed media cardstock here. So we've got several with these different blue patterns that coordinate so well with the little mice. So these are really pretty. You could use these for anything also. All right, next up we have all the gorgeous ephemera. So this is the Tea with Tilda ephemera pack. And let me go ahead and open this up and we will flip through here so you can see these. So I have a stack and sort tray and I want to kind of show you these so you get a good idea. You get so many pieces of ephemera in these card kits. Got one that's stuck in here. Let me try to hold these up so you can see each of them. So lots of different florals. There's the little mouse in the teapot. Some more florals. There we go. I'm just going to flip through here. I do want to mention while I'm flipping through here that I am on the design team for Love with Lizi. So I do have an affiliate link listed down below. And anytime you purchase from my links, then I receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. So I always appreciate when you shop my links as that helps support me and my YouTube channel. So I will have a link listed down below to the February card kit, which you can purchase individually or you can subscribe. And then I will have links listed to the add-ons, which I will show you at the end of this video. And the add-ons this month are just to die for. So I'm going to keep flipping through here. And they're just so elegant and sweet. Such an adorable little ephemera pack this month. I'm going to get lots of use out of all of these. I have so many ideas flowing. Now, I do produce a video on the Love from Lizi channel on the 4th Friday of the month, and that video is not shown on my personal YouTube channel. So be sure to head over to the Love from Lizi channel and subscribe to their channel so you can see all the card kit inspiration, not only from me, but from all the other designers as well. All right, let's keep going through this set. Now I have this small bag here. So we have more little pieces that go with this card kit. And you can see here, I've got approximately 12 inches. We've got the lace, daisies, and broderie. So this looks like the broderie. We had the daisies. and now let's look at the lace. Let me pull that out. Just reminds me of a tea party when I see all of these beautiful little pieces. So here's the look at the lace. So you could always cut that down. Then we received 2 rose gold Polaroid frames or gold mirror frames. And then we've got these little bows. And then look at that. Isn't that pretty? So that's the mini flower and pearl cluster. And then we also received 2 rose gold mini pegs. And then we have a die set, and this says time for tea party. And here's a look at those pegs, really cute. Okay, so that is a look at everything in the card kit. Oh, I'm going to show you this die. I'm going to kind of unpack this and place this into my stack and sort tray so I don't lose any of this. And then I want to show you the add-ons, which I am crazy about the add-ons this month. So let me move this over and bring these in. So this here is the pin bundle. So this is the Tea with Tilda add-on pin bundle. We've got mink with gold finish, white with gold finish, brown with gold finish, and rose gold mirror. I mean, these are going to be so perfect for not only on these cards, but so many of your other projects as well. Very, very pretty. And if you don't know already, the Love from Lizi peel-offs are my favorite thing about Love from Lizi. All right, next I want to bring in the Tea with Tilda variety bundle. So in this variety peel-off bundle, we have mini hearts, black with gold finish, sway ice blue mirror. We've got the heart border white and the mini twinkle blue holographic. So let me hold these up so you can see each of these. And so there's the hearts. Then we've got the sway ice blue mirror. And then we have the heart border white. And then the mini twinkle blue holographic. So, so very pretty. This is such a sweet card set. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to show you this as well. This is the rose gold embossing powder. Oh, I'm crazy about this. And I know I'm going to use it on so many of my projects. All right, that is my unboxing today. If you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!